Google Messages to bring latest group chat related feature. Google has got some bigger plans for Google Messages to begin and sparkle as an Android chat app, as it consists of a few smooth features that never fail to captivate users, ensuring utmost security. It's considered a better replacement to iMessage because of continuous significant updates, such as rolling out some cool effects like appealing screen effects and emojis, but it's still missing a simplified way to browse and message group chats, which is likely to be modified shortly. Google Messages has been recently spotted to test this feature, which allows users to begin a conversation with the group chats directly from the new conversation screen. According to sources, this latest feature has appeared in the beta version 202.40820_00_RC00, and would simplify browsing group chats. A particular section for group chats would appear once you browse in the To field on the new conversation screen. This feature is currently limited to the latest beta version of Google Messages, but reports suggested that it will be released for a wider audience soon, along with a few more updates. Though it is a minor update, but certainly a vital one that will enhance the user experience.